welcome to my channel Technical Elite. So today I'm going to show you how to download the Spotify app in your Windows 10 Pro. So let's get started. Start with the video. So first you have to connect your PC to the network. So I'm connecting my PC to the network. See, I've written the steps in the notepad. You can follow these steps. So opening my 3G Airtel hotspot. I'm using this 3G Airtel hotspot because it's give me a pretty good speed. My PC is going slower day by day as it also depends on the processor, and nowadays in summer, during summer, the processor also gets heat up very soon. So that's the reason my PC is going slower day by day, and it also contains 2 GB RAM only. Checking my internet speed by opening the Google. So network is connected. The PC is connected to the network. Let's open the Microsoft Store. You can open the Microsoft Store from the Windows search icon bar, and you can also, and I'm opening this Microsoft Store from the taskbar because I've pinned the Microsoft Store icon in the taskbar. So I'm opening from there only. If you are using Windows 10 Pro, and it's absolutely work on your Windows 10 Pro, if you have the latest updates, you can get the latest updates of the Windows 10 Pro from the Microsoft official website. I will give the Microsoft official website link in the description box. Opening the Microsoft Store. We can enjoy the various games also in the Microsoft Store. We can get here the various games. Minecraft is a very good game, and we can get it from the Microsoft Store. Just type the Spotify. As we know that the Spotify is a cross platform app, and we can use it in Android TVs, Windows, and we can also use it in on Android devices. Installing it, clicking on install. I've already installed it, so it's written launch. So type the Spotify app in the Windows search bar. I'm using this notepad to show you some details in written, because if any disabled person is seeing this and he has disability, then he can understand the steps. clicking on the Spotify. It is there in the recently added. Closing the Windows Microsoft Store because it does not. See, it's there in the taskbar. Spotify. And Spotify is a very good app, and we can explore unlimited music from there, and in various languages also, and various pop sounds also, electronic songs also, and we can explore it from there, and it's a very good app. So if you have a Spotify ID, then you can log in it from here. If you don't have, you can make an account and click by clicking it on sign up. I'm logging with the PC, logging with the Facebook account. But later on, I found some troubleshooting while means connecting my Spotify account with my Facebook account. So I have made a new ID for that, and it works 100. It works 100%. It's working, and this video is made with no skipped parts. And means you don't have to worry about that I have skipped a part or anything, and it's a 100% genuine idea. So the way so you can for now you can enjoy the new songs from the Spotify app, and if you want these types of text from the channel, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and